What if a volcano erupted not with lava, but with magical rainbow paint? Join Sili and Bubble as they discover the Volcano of Colors. Hello friends, welcome to Silly World by Just In Case Studio. One sunny morning, Sili and Bubble were walking through the green valley when the ground beneath them trembled.
Bubble, did you hear that rumble? Let's see what it is.
They ran up a hill and gasped. Before them stood a volcano, but it wasn't spewing lava. Streams of glowing rainbow-colored paint shot into the sky, sparkling and swirling in every color imaginable. Wow, a volcano made of paint! Suddenly, a splash of purple paint landed right on Bubble.
Woo! Wow!
He ran in circles, leaving purple footprints everywhere. Sili giggled so hard she almost fell over.
Ha! You look like a blueberry puppy.
From the colorful mist above, a magical glowing figure floated down. It shimmered with every color of the rainbow.
Hello, little adventurers. The Volcano of Colors is sick. Its colors are all mixed up.
Mixed up? How can we help?
Find the 3 glowing paint drops, red, blue, and yellow. Mix them in the right order at the heart of the volcano and it will be healed.
Sili and Bubble ran off to find the magical paint drops. Red drop. On a rock near a glowing red paint pool, a dancing firebird guarded the drop. Sili had to copy the bird's moves to grab it. Blue drop. At the bottom of a sparkling waterfall, the blue paint drop glowed under the mist. Sili carefully scooped it up. Yellow drop. Hidden inside a giant yellow flower, the drop tickled Bubble as he tried to sniff it, making him jump and giggle. Before they finally got it. Got 'em all! Now let's fix the volcano. At the volcano's heart, a glowing bowl waited. Sili poured in the red, blue, and yellow drops, while Bubble stirred with his tail. Red, blue, and yellow mixed together. The colors swirled and sparkled until they became a perfect rainbow. The volcano rumbled one last time and then erupted with dazzling rainbow fireworks, painting the sky in brilliant hues. You did it! The Volcano of Colors is healed! Woof woof! Best art show ever! The volcano calmed down, leaving a sky painted with the brightest rainbow ever seen. Sili and Bubble waved goodbye to the paint spirit and walked home, giggling at Bubble's rainbow-colored fur. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Silly World for more fun learning videos. See you next time!